how to fix Instagram enable to load images from gallery easily. So all what you have to do, guys, to fix this problem, it's so easy. Just open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then disable it again. Then go back, go to the apps manager on your phone, go to the apps. Right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you have to do is go to the Instagram app, click on it, and then go to the notifications management. Make sure that all notifications are enabled right here, and then go back again, click here on force stop, and then go to the home page, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, and make sure to update your app from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.